lower back pain, how does it all add up? If you have heart failure and any of those seemingly unrelated symptoms sound familiar, it's time to talk with your cardiologist and get the full picture. They may add up to transthyretin amyloid cardiomyopathy. ATTR-CM is a rare and underdiagnosed disease. Recognize the signs and discuss them with your doctor soon. Learn more at connectwithyourheart.com. That's connectwithyourheart.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
Need an accident attorney by your side. All you got to do is call the accident line.
754 and KNX, traffic up in 60 seconds.
I'm Peter Greenberg, and this is today's Ion Travel Minute. There was a time when joining an airline frequent flyer program meant you got tangible rewards for your loyalty. But now, the airlines have been raising mileage redemption levels to ridiculous thresholds. If 54% of all mileage earned is earned by credit card purchases, that means a 30,000-mile reward actually costs you a minimum of $17,000. And on some airlines, it's worse. The miles needed for a first-class mileage ticket on Delta is as high as the stratospheric 745,000 miles, which means you essentially spent more than $402,000 to get it. In this case, better to carry a cash-back credit card and simply buy the ticket. For more information, visit petergreenberg.com. I'm Peter Greenberg, and this is today's Ion Travel Minute.
Nobody should have to pay for one-size-fits-all insurance coverage. Liberty Mutual customizes your car and home insurance, so you only pay for what you need. Visit libertymutual.com to learn more. libertymutual.com.
7:55 at KNX. Coming up in 5 minutes, top of the hour, President Biden hits the stump ahead of the midterm elections. We'll have that traffic and weather together now every 10 minutes on.
Cosmetics giant L'Oreal.
The fuck is going on here? I'm getting really sick of that. I hate how I can't even listen to radio without the freaking program shutting down on me. Sheesh. Boy, oh, I can park right here. Oh, that's right, tomorrow. Tomorrow's like early in the morning. I can do that. It's no problem. Yeah, since it's early in the morning, it's Monday. I have to worry about. Oh, yeah. That's probably what I'm gonna just start doing.